Hi there, welcome to my Kartra bonuses revealed video where I'm going to share with you how you can get access to these 12k bonus stacks for free if you decide to sign up to Kartra using my link in the description. Now, why are these bonuses very important? Now, the reason why this bonus stack is very important is it solves the number one dilemma most, if not all businesses have, and that is customers. Where do you get your customers from? How much does it cost you to acquire a customer? And do you even have the skill set as a media buyer or a copywriter to get hold of those customers to put into your funnel that you'll be using on Kartra? Now, if you're a Facebook user, you definitely know it can get a bit technical. It's very expensive and you can lose your ad account at a moment's notice if you make the wrong mistake. Well, I'm going to give you access to my mentor's program called the 24-hour ranking system. And this is going to be the meat of this bonus stack. Now, what do you get with this? You get the 24-hour ranking system, which is going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google for free without spending any money on advertisement platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, so forth and so on. This will give you the edge over most competitors because you're finding customers where they are, which is on YouTube and Google, the two biggest platforms or search engine platforms there are in the world. It gives you a leg up against the competition who are spending hundreds, if not thousands, just to acquire a fraction of the leads that you will be able to get for free by placing yourself on the front page of Google. Not only will you get that, you will get weekly coaching calls with Paul himself, who is my mentor, who's made millions and millions online using free traffic. You can ask him anything you want regarding your business, which means you won't only be talking to a super affiliate, but you'll be talking to somebody that charges $15,000 and plus for a consultation. And just for signing up to Kartra today, you can get access to all of that for free. And last but not least, to the first part of this bonus stack, you will get access to the 4-day ranking system. Now, if we scroll down, you're going to see the first part, like I said, you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system. You'll also get the license to be able to give this away just like I'm giving it away, which can help you get some nice leads if you want. Next, you're going to get exclusive weekly coaching calls with my mentor where you can ask him anything you want. And then the 4-day ranking system, which is going to help you place your videos on the front page of Google within 24 hours, which is going to give you an extra boost of confidence in order to transfer this into your business and start making money, start building your email list, and start firing up those funnels. Now, if I was to stop there, I would say that you're pretty much sorted. You not only have the ability to generate traffic, you have the ability to find your customer base where they are and to build a free email list and to get weekly consultations with a top affiliate marketer and a top business owner who's made millions using free traffic. But I want to sweeten the deal and I want to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, if we have a look at the landing page, you're going to see it's going to help you build an email list by helping you build your own personal ATM cash machine that pulls in thousands of dollars per day in your sleep. Now, what do you get here? You're going to get a super affiliate showing you how he's making thousands of dollars a day. And this will be a full membership where you get to have an over-the-shoulder look at exactly what they're doing. You know, this is a build push button system that pays you thousands while you sleep. You'll be able to discover closely guarded secrets to super list building. And best of all, an unlimited traffic source that helps you build this list for you. And he'll also show you how to use AI in order to assist this whole process. But the fact is, if you have a powerful email list, you are going to win. Now, what I love about this, it was meant to be $197. But if you decide to sign up through my link below, then you're going to get it for free as a part of my 12k bonus stack. Not only will it show you how to build an email list, but it's going to teach you how to increase your open rates, which is very critical when it comes to email marketing. Because you can send 1,000 emails, but if only 2 people open it up, that's a problem. So here, you're not only going to learn how to build an email list almost on autopilot, you're going to learn how to get those open rates up and really bank in those sales, those commissions, and create awareness for your product, your service, or your brand. Now, once again, not only will you get access to the first part of the bonus, you're going to get access to the second part. And now I'm going to give you access to the third part, which is 90 make money online courses that you can access for free. Teach you everything you need to know about online marketing, digital marketing, video marketing, Amazon FBA, e-commerce, Bitcoin, you name it. And to be honest with you, I don't think there's a bigger bonus stack than that currently right now. And all you have to do is go down to the description below and sign up for Kartra using my link, and also get a 30-day free trial of Kartra online while you're at it. Now, if you're excited about these special bonuses, all you have to do is go ahead and click the link below. It will take you to a page like this where you can enter your name and email to get access to all these special bonuses. Once again, just to wrap it up, you will get the groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system, private magic funnels training. You'll get access to the weekly coaching calls along with pre-built funnels as well. This is very powerful that you can preload and launch straight into your Kartra account. You're going to get access to List Prodigy and then 90 Make Money Online courses. Once again, 90 Make Money Online courses. Now, all you have to do is sign up below and you'll get access to all these bonuses straight away. I'll see you in the next video.